Hello amigos, welcome to a beautiful day right by the beach. I've got a big sunburn, Beck's got a big sunburn, we're both sunburned, we're both noobs to the weather, to the sun, to the weed, to the beach. But that's not going to stop us from having a fantastic day. I got my buddy up. She's doing her thing with her teeth. That's pretty cool. If I just crack this door here, I could show you something pretty cool. Stay door, stay.
Edit a vlog, post a vlog, and do some business work all this morning. And
film a vlog.
And film another vlog today. Wow!
Should we start with some cakes?
I love that idea. Yeah, let's start with cakes.
Cake, chai, editing, chef. Little technique this guy's got. Hit the pores, right?
That's exactly right.
Not sure if it was the best idea, but we were all super hot this afternoon while we were editing and such, so we all got in the ocean. I went in Eamon's tank top just because my back feels the most fried, and Eamon had a tank on as well. He's just called over the coconut man. We're gonna have a morning dose of coconut. How good is our lives right now?
Work hard, play hard, kids.
Work hard.
Don't forget your SPF. Hola amigo, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, bien.
Bien, ¿cuánto?
A 35.
I think a mission for today is to find a shower. What do you reckon about that?
Shower mission. Execute. Boom.
Let's do it.
Just so you'll know, we're all stripped down and having a little water bottle shower here. Just didn't want you to walk up on us in the buff or anything.
A water bottle shower, just a little quick and dirty by the beach, eh bud?
That's right, brother. You're welcome to come if you want to.
Clothes optional. I guess clothes are mandatory. So I guess that's how they're gonna do their shower, just a little quick and dirty rinse off. Beck and I both just kind of rinsed off our face, but I think we do need a solid shower. Yesterday we didn't get a shower in, it was so salty, the bed is salty. And so that's the mission, whether you choose to accept or not.
We've had this tube that we're calling a solar shower on our roof, and we've been living in a van. Okay, but we've been living in a van since May of 2017. It is now March of 2018. Yeah. We've never once used this shower.
Not once.
So today the plan is to find a hose.
Fill it up.
Fill up the shower.
And then we need a hose attachment.
Yes.
We don't need a hose. We just need a hose. Oh, we need to find a hose that has water. Fill up the solar shower. Then grab like a nozzle for the shower and have a shower. We're just trying to figure out how to shower.
We just need a shower.
That's the plan. We haven't left yet, guys. The Wi-Fi is actually ripping, so we're trying to get our video that we missed yesterday uploaded today. And I'm also trying to get an IG posted. I love the new GH5's Wi-Fi app. It's amazing. Take a photo, throw it on there. I've got the Lightroom app on my phone. So once that's done, you can edit your photo, post it right off of Instagram. So good. And Becca's enjoying a coconut while she works. So that's one way to do it, kids. That's Post Malone in the flesh. Rinse it down.
I'm pretty sure we jinxed that upload because it got stuck at 60%, 31 minutes remaining, and it sat there for about an hour. So we're gonna try to go to this hotel that we parked right beside, see if we get a drink or something, if he'll let us use the Wi-Fi, and maybe it'll be a really quick upload. Should you try to get that hose too? Or we'll get that on the way out, or what?
I'll make lunch first,
okay,
and then we'll do the hose.
Okay.
Still struggling on the upload. No vegan options where we are. We got a lot of veg yesterday, so Obs and I are gonna go back to the van, whip up a nasty. Christian's gonna just sit here and read his book.
Can't wait for that nasty, dude.
And Beck is working on some Chaiwala business as well as obviously uploading, so that's the plan. We're still gonna try and make it to the national park before the end of the day, but that's only an hour and a half, so feeling confident we'll get everything done.
Can I get the charger as well? Oh wow, I am so matchy. I need a mirror in our van. I don't even see what I look like.
So yesterday we went on a bit of a mission to 2 different hardware stores to try and find a nozzle for the hose, because the shower It's basically like a black PVC pipe on the roof. And then it's got a section where you can attach a hose and then run that off, and that's how you're gonna rinse off. So you need something that will, just like a normal shower nozzle, you know, so you can spray it and stop spraying. There is another hardware store up here. It's looking minimal, so we'll see what we can find. I have no idea how to say shower nozzle in Spanish. Hola, buenas tardes. Shower nozzle. Ah, bueno. Solo uno? Perfecto. ¿Cuánto? Realized I forgot my wallet. That's pretty rattling. Forgot my wallet. Uno momento. Mission complete.
Yeah.
Got the nozzle, bro. Just gonna clean up the house here, get it ready for movement. We'll pull it over and fill up the shower.
So what's the plan? There's a hose hookup up there or what?
Yes, sir.
Let's go, baby. Woo! Oh, you look great up there, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, that looks brutal. Ooh.
Hold on.
All right.
It's a heavy stream, bro.
Yeah, the trip.
This has soap in it?
Perfect.
Does this have soap? Soap? No. ¿Es posible solo agua? No?
Go for it, dude.
No, I don't want this, dude.
Yeah, it smells really bad.
It smells like chemicals, bro.
Chlorine, dude. That'll clean you right off.
No bueno.
Homie had like a soapy water, which we didn't know until we were halfway full, so I'm just draining it out. I gave Samson a nice rinse down, which is pretty clutch. And so I'm gonna drain that, and I think what we're gonna do is buy a 5-galloner and just fill it up using that.
Too long to drain, so.
Oh my god, you got so much in there?
Thumbnail.
Wait, hold on. There we go.
So that was a huge fail. Luckily there are lots of homeboys with hoses standing outside watering the floor like this guy. So maybe they're just super posh and they have some kind of additive or chemical in with the shower, with the hose, with the liquid, with the agua. So it doesn't discourage me fully. I think we're gonna continue on towards the national parks, and if we see a hose man, we'll ask him if we can fill up. Or if we see an agua bottle, we'll just go up, quickly fill it up with 5 gallons. And then by the time we want to have a shower tonight, it should be hot.
The crew is rolling out. That is just a reality of trying to daily vlog. Oh, you're gonna let this lady go? No. Some days it takes us forever to get an upload. And I guess that's what's really great about traveling with other YouTubers, is that we all kind of understand the necessity to just wait it out.
What PM are you sitting at right now?
Oh.
About 20,000.
I was literally getting on this to say how annoying it is that the boys don't go.
No, I'm around 20, but my engine just sounds loud.
They just love chatting.
Don't worry about your engine at all. The only thing I was worried about is if you're having trouble shifting in the gear going uphill.
Yeah, tranny issues. Sorry, babe.
Are you probably slipping?
Yeah, mainly when you're going from slow to start or hills.
I'll talk to you guys later.
Was just driving in the middle lane or in the right lane, and a dude just pulled over and cut him off big time, and just actually I don't understand what happened, because he just must have hit the back. What happened, dude?
Exactly what you just said. He was just cruising in the middle lane.
But how did it hit right there?
No. I slammed my brakes.
Yeah.
And I destroyed this with my car.
Right.
He was.
So your car didn't hit him?
Right there. No. I slammed
No, he
so.
did.
My car. I don't.
No, you must have just hit the white over there.
Slammed the white.
So you didn't hit him?
No, but he was, because he was in the middle lane, full, just and like not only cut me off, but created a full wall.
Yeah, that was
Like,
horrible.
if I hadn't smashed my brakes, I was gonna.
So did he stop or no?
No, he didn't. I honked at him to stop. He didn't stop at all. And we murked the inside of our van. Check this out.
Oh my gosh.
What a jerk, man.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah. Do you have any whiplash or anything, babe, or are you fine?
No, I'm like shaking from it, but
No kidding.
So how hard did you step on the brakes?
As hard as I could step on them.
Seriously?
Like,
Oh
I
my
fully
God.
slammed the metal with the brake.
Yeah. Oh, so what I saw from the
So,
back was
because for us it looked like he hit
he
you,
hit you.
but you must have slammed into that
I don't
concrete.
think he hit me.
Everyone is okay. We're gonna get back on the road. We
That's
just
it.
took a
Yeah, we're
5.
good to go, dude.
That's him, dude.
Is it him?
Yeah.
Should we pull him over?
I mean, like what? I don't know what we're gonna accomplish by doing that.
Yeah. Jeez.
You want to lead again?
This is supposed to be a snorkeling beach, which we're so excited about. Let's go.
It's a non-gringo.
So many non-gringos.
Oh, I love it.
I'm so
hidden gem, huh?
excited.
Yeah, great call.
Wow.
Eamon is so excited to get in a good day of snorkeling tomorrow that he insisted we come up here now and sort out who he's getting his snorkel from. Oh, and we've lost him. Okay, gracias. That's pretty classic, eh, Obs? They're not so concerned about us. Okay, gracias.
So,
Serían 400 pesos
Discount for 4?
por los 4.
thank you, Victor.
See you, Victor.
Muchas gracias.
Buenas noches. Sorry, I mean buenas tardes.
The squad is getting together for the first shower mission of
2018.
Oaxaca.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, this is the first shower we've had to do in Sturgis.
Yeah.
Unreal.
True that.
That's pretty scary. It's been a long time.
It's been over a week.
I wonder
At
if we all
least over a
stink
week.
way worse than we think.
For sure.
No, I think we're alright.
When you hugged me today, I'm like, I probably smell so bad, but I bet you Christian smells just as bad.
Yeah, I didn't notice a bit.
So 10 pesos.
like
We're gonna each grab a shower. Unfortunately, the solar shower will have to wait till another day.
Mostly because it's filled with chlorine now.
Yeah, we gotta empty that out, rinse it out. But I'm sure you guys can visualize what a solar shower would be like.
I'm having a hard time. It's been a year and I haven't had a chance to
You know what
use
we'll
it,
do?
so-
If we find a thing tomorrow, maybe we'll just enter a clip of us doing it tomorrow.
Yeah, cool. That'd be
So
fun.
that you guys can see what it's like.
All
'Cause
the
this
different
is
ways we
kind of a
shower.
shower vlog.
But I think it's also really important to note that we don't shower all that often. As we just said, I think it's been a week for the collective group. So, I don't know, van life sometimes means not showering, but for us, it's totally worth it.
Biodegradable. Bio. Este bien. Is no problema. How rattled are you?
I'm gonna cry. That's pretty brutal. They're not gonna let me shampoo.
Well, their concern is it goes into the
I
thing.
know, but it's like the
Yeah.
most natural.
Explain that to them.
I tried. Sea salt.
You want to buy a single smoke, man? They got a single smoke and then the lighter is on the chain. So you don't go too far.
Okay, baby, you're gonna have to wash my hair in the thing.
What?
You're gonna have to wash my hair.
No necesito para you. Baby, tomorrow we're going to be in the salt all day tomorrow.
Matter, my hair is
We'll fill up the solar shower. It'll be este bien.
This royal line freezer.
Oh, I love it. This is funny.
Keep it rolling around, you know?
Feel like a new human. Wow.
You guys are feeling muy bien?
Muy bien.
Muy.
That will conclude our shower session in... Where are we, dude?
I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Somewhere in Oaxaca.
My buddy broke the rules.
Shh, buddy. don't-
You're a rule breaker.
I didn't start it.
Anyway, we felt good about it because it is all natural.
I
And
didn't use my
we just
hair
needed
shampoo or anything. It was just the peppermint.
we just
Dr.
needed a
Bronner.
little bit of soap.
Just a little.
Yeah. A couple of rebels we
I love
are.
that little like under the table black market thing.
I know,
shuffling
like-
back and forth like yeah.
It'd be nice if it snapped right in, but it doesn't. Here's Post Malone doing some domestic.
Let's go, boys.
Hey.
So Posty's dad challenged us to do 100 push-ups a day for 30 days, 100 push-up challenge. So just smash that. She's just naturally that sweaty. And that brings us to the end of the vlog. I know I kind of wanted to focus more on shower stuff.
I think we did.
I think we did. I hope you're not disappointed. Anything else to add?
Yeah, no, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed another vlog from us crazy kids and our crazy friends. It's time to go eat some pad thai and have a good night. So until next time, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, smash a thumbs up.
You guys got to see what's happening next door here. All right, good night, guys.
Boy,
I feel like we're getting high in the jungle here.